Hi guys, welcome back to another poetry session. Now today I have got a couple of bonfire poems for you. Now the first one is very short and I'm sure you'll all know it, and it just goes like this. Remember, remember the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason and plot. I see no reason why gunpowder season should ever be forgot. So there you go, one that I'm pretty positive you all know, and one that's all about old Guy Fawkes that we talked about in our Legends video. And also I found another one that I thought was really good as well, and this one is just called Fireworks Night, and it's by a gentleman called Kevin McCann. And it goes like this. Slowly, smoky, suddenly, kindling catches burning paper. Shreds fly orange, fiery, like a dragon's first sneeze. And our cat's in hiding behind the settee. It's bonfire night as a rocket bursts. Its sparkles hang like Christmas lights on an invisible tree. And our cat's still hiding behind the settee. It's bonfire night. Strings of firecrackers snap like someone squeeze popping a huge bubble wrap. From his throne of flames, Guy grins down at me. But our cat's still hiding behind the settee. It was bonfire night, but now it's just me, stroking our cat who's sat on my knee. We sit here alone and watching the sky, hoping to see a last rocket fly. So there you go, couple of bonfire poems for you. If you've got any of your own favourite bonfire poems, make a video, read them out, stick them in the comment. Or just tell me about the poems and I'll have a look at them, and maybe we'll have a look at doing them another day. So there you go. Have a fantastic, fun, safe bonfire night, and we will see you all again with some more poems really soon. Bye for now.